AC factoring. AC factoring. When did we learn AC factoring? What happened? Think back.
Okay, class. So today we're gonna learn AC factoring. So you may be wondering, we've learned about type factors already. How do I know when to use AC factoring? So, as you know, to do X factoring, the leading coefficient has to be 1. With AC factoring, the leading coefficient will not be a 1, and there will be no GCF to make it a 1. So to do that, what you have to do is you times 3 by the 6. And it goes 18. So then X. Go in the hallway now. Hey, that's you. We'll finish this part and then I'll go to yours. Y'all behave. Okay, so then, as usual, we put the 18 at the bottom, the 11 at the top, and because the signs are the same, what does that mean, class?
Aloha, yes, I want to yes, like I got my chest, yes, I do broker neck, yes, aloha, yes.
Sit down, sit.
Throw it.
Get back here. Close the door. Man, I cannot believe y'all. Y'all are so disrespectful. I've never dealt with a class. You know what?
That's a funny joke.
You know what? Y'all just need to learn in a different way.
Next one. Ready? No, not that. But what about the actual lesson? What actually happened? I remember. In class, we are going to learn about AC factoring. Now, AC factoring is sort of like X factoring. You're just adding a little extra step. So, if for AC factoring, let's say we have the equation 3h plus 11h plus 6h. So, how do we solve this problem? How do we factor this? Well, you may be wondering how. Okay, so as you can see, there's a 3 here, and normally when to use X factoring, we would find the GCF and divide all of these by 3. But we cannot do that because there is no greatest common factor in all of these numbers. So we have to turn to AC factoring. AC factoring just adds an extra step. So we we multiply 3 times 6 and get 18. So now we carry on our problem as normal. We take our X and we put 18 here and 11 here. Now, as we all know, we look at the second sign to determine if the problems will be the same or different. We look at the second sign and we see that it's a positive, so the signs will be the same. And we look at the first and we see that it is positive, so both signs will be positive. Then we have to find out, well, what makes 11? So to do that, we find what makes up 18. So if we do 1 times 18, yes, that equals 18, but does it equal 11? So 1 plus 18, because our signs are the same, equals 19, which is not 11. So then we move on. 2 times 9, yes, it equals 18. 2 plus 9 equals 11. So we put those here, 2 and 9. So then we have h plus 2 and h plus 9. So over here, as you guys remember, over here we moved the 3 over here. So now we have to move the 3 back over here and divide both of these by 3. So we get h plus 2/3 equals h plus 3. But we don't want a fraction in our problem, so we take the 2 and move it in front of the h. So we get 2h plus 3 is h plus 3. And then you're done.